Day 2. Yon. And now let's start our warm-up, guys. Let's get our body ready. Let's go. Ayan, makikita na nila. Game. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Tiga.
Oh, yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Darn warm up, guys. And so now for our first exercise, we will do the quadrant jump. Let's go. Done. And now for our second exercise, guys, we'll do the hexagon jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Done. And now for our third exercise, the T-cone. Let's go.
T-cone. Narinig ko sa video, di ko mamute yan, tama. Justin Garces nagsabi nun, guys.
Sabi ko team cone na.
Kaya nga, team cone.
Narinig ka dito. Done. And now for our second to the last exercise, our fourth exercise for tonight, guys, ang L or 3 cone. Okay, start. Done. And now we will do our last exercise, which is the speed ladder. Okay. Done. So yun, guys, natapos na natin yung 5 workouts. Gagawin na natin ay tumakbo ng 3 kilometers ulit. Guys, we're running 3 kilometers. Sa atin namin si Kiel.
Sa palawan.
Later na lang ulit. Update sa pang ilang kilometers na. Bye bye. 1K done, guys. 1K. Natin na natin si Kiel. Tsaka inom na tayo kay Garces. Later na lang ulit. Guys, 2K. Dito ako mamaya. Hingin na ako. Lalakad muna. So yun, guys, update. Naglalakad na lang tayo ulit sa 3 kilometers. Bye. Dito na lang ulit. Guys, tapos na natin yung 3-kilometer run. Yan. Bye-bye.
Ang lalakas ninyo.
And now, after the 3-kilometer run and walk, ngayon ang gagawin na natin ay mag-cool down. Ayun o, kaklase ko sa likod guys, Kiel Ohoy with Justin Garces. Let's go, let's do the cool down guys. So yun guys, start for our cool down.
Activity or exercise para ma-relax siya kahit hindi mag-hirap ang ating mga muscle. So, gawin na natin ang cool down.
Cool down tayo guys. And now, tapos na tayo.
Bye guys.
Bye bye guys.
Click the link down below.